On the 5th of February 1597, 26 Christians were executed in Nagasaki in an event known as the Martyrdom of the 26 Martyrs of Japan. Welcome to HistoryPod. Christianity had been introduced to Japan in 1549 by the Jesuit missionary Francis Xavier and had spread rapidly, particularly in parts of Kyushu. By the late 16th century, there were an estimated 300,000 Christian converts, including members of the samurai class. While the ruler, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, initially allowed missionary activity to continue, he grew concerned that Christian loyalty to foreign religious authorities might undermine political unity. These fears were reinforced by the arrival of European traders and by reports of Spanish and Portuguese colonial expansion elsewhere in Asia. In 1596, the Spanish ship San Felipe was wrecked off the Japanese coast. Statements attributed to its crew, suggesting that missionaries prepared the way for military conquest, heightened official anxiety. Soon after, Hideyoshi ordered the arrest of a group of missionaries and Japanese converts. The group eventually numbered 26 and included 6 foreign Franciscan friars, 3 Japanese Jesuits, and 17 Japanese lay Christians, among them 3 boys aged between 11 and 13. The prisoners first had part of one ear cut off and were then marched approximately 800 kilometers from Kyoto to Nagasaki during the winter. Along the route, they were displayed in towns and villages to discourage further conversions. Upon reaching Nagasaki, a centre of Christian activity, they were then taken to Nishizaka Hill on the 5th of February 1597. Here they were executed by crucifixion, with executioners using spears to bring about death. Although Christianity in Japan as a whole was not eradicated, the executions signalled the beginning of sustained persecution.